Sedert die meerderheid parlementslede gestem het ten gunste van grondonteiening sonder vergoeding, slaan pogings tot grondgrypery op verskeie plekke uit. Mantashe keer sulke gedrag glad nie goed nie.
Waterfall. You can't occupy a prime development land because there is land expropriation or compensation. It can't be. Anarchy must be dealt with. And I think the minister was right by saying we must be methodical, but we must allow law enforcement to take its route.
Die minister van Landelike Ontwikkeling en Grondhervorming, Mahite Nkwane Mashabane, meen gierigheid is die bron van die kwaad.
How do we deal with this greed? Because we are not dealing with shortage of land. We're dealing with speculation. But the most painful thing for me, Minister, Chairperson, is I don't know how did we get to separate ownership of land from water.
We should understand the fears of those who sit on the land when we talk of expropriation without compensation. The reality of the matter is that it is not a policy to drive white to the sea. That is not the policy. It has never been a policy of the ANC. It will never be the policy of the ANC unless the ANC becomes something else. It's not. It's about fair distribution of land and give our people access to that land.
Change is inevitable.
Die hoof van die suksesvolle ZZ2 boerdery in Limpopo sê al word mense kwaad oor grond, moet die kwessie nugter bekyk word.
As ons die besit van grond en die produktiewe bewerking daarvan kan koppel aan markte en ekonomiese vooruitgang, dan gaan ons wesenlike ekonomiese bevordering van die getekende groepe kan bewerkstellig. En ons as boere wil deelneem daaraan. Ons wil help om die land Suid-Afrika, ons land, om hom so te ontwikkel dat daar 'n groter balans is.
Die ANC NK-lid Ronald Lamola, wat in die hersieningskomitee dien wat grondonteiening sonder vergoeding moet ondersoek, het gevra dat kommersiële boere ongebruikte grond skenk.